guys, welcome in. We are going to do another round in our vision collab. So I am bringing $5 for Debt Story when this is over, and we have $20 here to put into our collab video. So this is my book, has all my money in it. So what we're going to do is we are going to get situated here. We are going to roll a 20-sided dice and see where we are going to start. All right, this is hosted by Saving with Ashley Carilla and Diamond Budgets. This is our 4th week. Maybe 3rd or 4th week. So I'm going to roll this die. We're going to go to what page it is, and then we'll go from there. All right, 6. So this one is Purple Cow Corner. It says, envision yourself savings with us and making your dreams come true. So she has a few amounts, or you could do a roll. I've done one on here. Let's see if we can. Let's do this one. And then we're also going to do a D3. And it also got a 1. Okay, so $2 in there. I went ahead and put everybody's tags in the bottom corner so that I can find it a little bit faster. And then we'll stuff it and all that. All right, 15. I am just super tired today, so I'm not super chatty. It was a long week last week. Oh, okay. So this is Black Mother Saber, and she has some rolls we could do, just some amounts we could pick. We've done one D3, some big one where we could just save. Looks like this is just a roll and save over here. Maybe like I don't know. So let's do a D20 and we will get that big one gone. 14. Why did I do that? I only have $20. So instead of doing a 14, we're gonna add it together. So it's gonna be a 14. So we're gonna do a 5. Some of these I'm still like trying to figure out how to play them, kind of to get the most out of as many visits to everybody as possible. And $5 is better than no dollars, so take it. Okay, our next one is number 2. Oops. And this one is from Saving with Karen. There looks like just some roll-in saves, which we've done, a couple D3s. So D3 is 3. All right, next one is 19. Do I have 19? Yes. All right, this one is it's MZBB. And let's see how much I have. Okay, I got plenty still. We're doing good. Okay. Let's do this one and this one for $3. I might have to see if there's somebody's vision board we haven't visited yet, and then make that one a priority. Number 5. This one is Thrifty Asian. We've been here a couple times, so D4, D6. Let's roll. So let's roll a D6. I got 4. All right. 13. This one's Diamond Budget. She's one of the hosts. Have we not been to her board before? She's got some really good ones. Let's see. I got $3. So let's do this 2 and this 1. And we will give her the rest of them. And then I will condense everything down, and I'll do that quickly and fast forward through it, but all right, so that is our collab for the week. We're making progress, but it's definitely going to be hanging on for a while, so okay. All right, we got that one all condensed down. And I did pick, there's like 3 we haven't been to yet. So I am going to make that a intentional that we will try and start there. So at least everybody has some love. Okay, so since we are saving money, we are also putting money towards debt. This is from Steps on a Budget. We put $5, and actually I'm gonna take 5 of these ones. $5 every time we save and put it into our bank. And then as we complete challenges, we will put those amounts towards debt. Get my prop coins. So it's $5 in prop coins. And it looks like we had left off on number 6. So that is where we will start. So I will roll a 3-sided die, and we will put that many coins with what it says. So we are still trying to finish up driver's ed this week, and we had our vacation Bible school last week, and eye appointments and dentist appointments are this week, and I don't know what I was thinking when I scheduled everything, but I scheduled everything on this week. So it just, I guess last week, it was just crazy, this week and last week. So we just had a lot going on, but that's okay. We'll be slow before too much longer. All right, made it all the way back through. It wanted 3, it got 1, so we will restart there next time. All right. The first one got a quarter. Solo Mom budgets. These are each 50 cents each, so that finishes that little bubble. So yay. So cute. It's like a little otter with a coffee cup. We got 50 cents for this one. And it only needed a quarter. So we finished this one from Pink Plum Budgeting for $1, $2, $3. So let's go ahead and pull that. And that will go into our debt payment for the month. And I will find another one at the end of the video. Bring in another, I don't know how many minis I have left. So, all right, this one only needed 50 cents and it got 75. So that from Solo Mom Budgets also finished that one for $3. Okay, so now we need 2 challenges. Let's see, 50 cents for number 4. That finishes this one for Justice Saves for another $3. I did not really remember that we were this close to finishing that many, so that's okay. That's what we want. We want to finish them so we can put those little mini micropayments to debt. All right. Number 5 got $1. This is from North Country Cash Queen. Okay, this one got 75 cents. And it is from Budgets with Elma. So 1, 2, 3. This one got 50 cents. And this one got 75 cents. And it is from Budget with Mama Bear from her membership. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we are holding on. I got 50 cents left. Which one could I add that to? We'll do this one with Solo Mom Budgets, because each one is 50 cents. So we will just mark off one more bubble on that one. That gets us almost there. All right, that is this round of debt story. I will come through and put some more challenges in here, but so far today we saved $9 towards our debt at the end of the month. So I'm actually going to take this 5 and let's see. We'll take that and leave these ones. I think I grabbed one too many. Nope, never mind. Okay, so we'll put that back in our bank and I will find some challenges, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys have had a good weekend and are off to a great start this week. And if you are new here, like and subscribe, follow along with what we do, and I appreciate every single one of you.